Okay, so taking a look at this is one of those more difficult questions to understand what it's really asking. So let's take a look at it piece by piece. The solution of a plus b is greater than -4 is a is greater than -9. What is the value of b? Okay, so it's giving us a starting point and an ending point. So we have our starting point of a plus b is greater than -4, right? Now, the solution of this problem here is equal to this piece here. So we know that this is our starting point, and we know what our ending point is. So we're going to say that our ending point is a is greater than -9. Okay, so now we're asking ourselves, how do we get from here to here? What takes place? Okay, well, if I'm trying to get from -4 to -9, right? Well, I want to add -5 to that, right? -4 plus -5 goes to -9. Well, if I do the same thing on both sides, I add -5 to this side, okay, because I have to. In order for this to stay balanced, I have to do the same thing on both sides of the inequality symbol, okay? So the only way I'd be adding -5 here is to try and cancel out this b here. And the only way that this cancels out that b there is if that b is equal to a +5. Okay, so if we say that a plus 5 is greater than -4, if we were going to solve this, we would minus 5 here, and we would minus 5 here. That would cancel out. We'd have a is then greater than -4 minus 5, which would be -9, which is exactly the solution that we were looking for. It was our ending point. So we had a starting point and ending point, which tells us that the value of b has to be equal to 5. Okay, so this is a more complicated question. Gotta make sure you understand that this is asking that this is our starting point and this is our ending point. Now, how do we get from our starting point to our ending point? And what does that mean about the value of b? So we should be able to check here that our value of b is going to be equal to 5.